Hello, everybody. As you can see, I'm sitting here scrunched over, talking into this fantastic microphone that works great when you're close to it, but when you're not, the audio goes back a little bit. So what I decided to do was buy a microphone stand that you see a lot of these podcasters and stuff using. It is the InnoGear Microphone Stand with windscreen pop filter. I got this from Amazon. I think it was like $20. Pretty affordable. Had great reviews. So let's open this up and see if it works. Okay, what do we got here? Looks like a microphone cover. Instruction manual. I think these are kind of screen breakers you put over. Not really sure. Don't know a lot about audio, so. But I've seen them. Stand. Okay. Looks like the thing to attach to the table. And lastly, looks like where you microphone. You actually insert the microphone there. Okay. That's it. Came in the box. Let's read some instructions. See what we got. By the way, if you like the video, please smash the like button, subscribe to my channel for a guy that doesn't know how to put things together, putting them together. Okay, step one, the installation of the stand. Unscrew the clamp so that the opening is large enough to fit over the edge of your table. So that would be this thing. All right. Alright, got it. Push the clamp all the way onto the table for maximum security. I don't know how this is going to work, so we'll just start with it right here. I always move it, obviously. So all I'm doing is attaching this to the table. Alright, got it. Says fasten, hold on. Need the trusty readers here for the old men. Fasten the clamp to the desk, got that. Insert arm into the hole at the top of the clamp and then twist the knob tight once the arm is in the direction you're located. Okay, I'm assuming, which part are we putting in here? It's probably this piece right here, so not the one with the screw, but the one with this. There's a little clamp we're going to unscrew, and then whatever position. This is interesting. Okay. So maybe I need, still not sure. We're just going to leave it like this for now. Alright. Application of the stand. Alright. Connect the plastic mic clip to the arm of your dynamic. Alright, so this goes like this, I believe, because it looks like it screws on. There we go, twist, twist. Okay. Got it. Connect the mic shock mount. Ooh, this is not included. A mic shock mount. I don't know if I have a mic shock, unless that's what this is right here that I'm actually using currently. Okay. Not sure how I'm going to get this. Let's see. Mic shock this is definitely a mic shock thing. Okay, don't have to connect to a mic shock. This is optional, kids. All right, that's if you wanted to connect to a mic shock. I'm not connecting to a mic shock as we speak. So let's just leave it like that. And then connect Blue, Yeti, Lenovo, Nano, all not included. So you can connect an actual microphone now to here. It's going to take some finagling on my part because I don't have this unhooked. I'm using it right now. So I'm assuming this can go in here somehow. It's supposed to fit. All right, looks like it fits, and you can put this. I'm gonna have to mess with this here, but okay. Interesting. So I guess I could go like this if I wanted to. Figure out the setting, but ultimately I think we got it like this now. So now, okay, that's it. That was pretty easy. Not really sure what these two things are for. Must be for the optional mic shock mount. Not sure what this is for. It doesn't really show, but hey, I got it to work like this. I think it's going to work for me. Now I don't have to, if I don't have to scooch down to talk. Everything's right here. So, I think that might work. Just got to figure out where to put this bad boy. Hope this helps, guys. I guess I would give this so far a pretty thumbs up, worth the $20. Might not be long enough from where I'm going to put it over here, but we'll see. Yeah, pretty easy. Hope you enjoyed it. Like the video, subscribe to the channel. Have a good day.